Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today I'm going to install the Peerless Assassin 120 SE by Thermalright into my PCB here. This is the Ryzen 5700X3D. So I've got all the parts come out here based on the packaging. So this is the backplate of the original motherboard. It's going to be used, and then you have to put this on the back of the motherboard. And then from the side of the processor you have to put these stoppers onto it, like so. And then for this thing needs to be arched towards the CPU. And as you can see, I'm using the AM4 platform. And then screw them in, like so, for all four. So we're going to start with that. Gonna have to put this backplate back into the back of the motherboard, and we'll go from there. So I've got it installed now, as you can see, firm there. I've took out my RAM here as well, just for easy installation. Next time I'm gonna clean the surface of my processor using the cleaning wipes, with one wet and another dry. Let's go. Next up, after cleaning the surface of my CPU, the Ryzen 5700X3D, I'm gonna put this thermal interface material by Honeywell, PTM 7950. So this has already been cut to 40 times 40 for my processor size, and it is 0.2 mm in thickness. So yeah, let me open it up. So this comes in one piece, and this is about, I think, 20 ringgit, or is it 10 ringgit? So yeah, as you can see, it comes with dual layer of plastic, which I will need to remove before laying it down. And as you can see, it's slightly bigger, but it works well. So what I'm gonna do is remove the bottom half, and then remove the upper half, and then put it on the CPU. So let's go. This is my first time using this, and I'm really curious of the performance of these things. Even though if you look at this heat transfer rate, I think 8.5 watt, which is, I mean, quite a little bit lower than those top tier thermal paste, but it seems to perform even better. So we'll see. So I have removed the bottom transparent plastic piece and laid it down on my CPU, and once I laid it down, I saw bubble trap inside, so I'm just using my fingers here to make sure there's no bubble whatsoever. Yeah, it does seem like there's a bit of a bubble, but yeah, as you can see, I'm trying to gently push it out with my finger. I mean, there are tools that I can use, but I digress. But I don't think there's any more bubbles, so I'm just gonna try and do my best to peel off the top plastic layer. I'm gonna have to do it off camera because I need both hands. Yep. So yeah, I peeled it off, but it wasn't smooth, and as you can see, some of them got peeled off, so I tried to add it back. I don't know how is that gonna impact performance, but for the majority part of it, it is quite smooth, and I guess better than thermal paste. But hopefully when I lay the cooler down, it's gonna flatten it out completely. So yeah, hopefully that will do. So the next thing is to peel this off, lay on top of it, and then screw it down. Let's go. Alright, a reminder, peel the plastic off the base before you install it. Alright, so yeah, I've installed it, and make sure you have a screwdriver that's long enough for you to reach the screw, and then screw it here a little bit, and then a little bit, do it repeatedly until it's tight. And then we're going to move on to attaching the fan bracket. No, the fan. So this is the fan. You attach the bracket on the front of the fan, not like the back ones, on the front. do the same for your second fan. And then I'm gonna try attach. I'm gonna leave this fan cable closest to my fan connector, and then I'm gonna clip this on like so. Here goes. So yeah, I managed to get one in the middle. Try to lay it as flat as to the surface here, and then the fan connector is down beneath here to hide it away. But I must say it's easier when you don't have the GPIO installed in. But nevertheless, I'm going to do the front one. But the first thing first, I'm going to install my low profile RAM and see how it goes first. So yeah, I've installed my front fan, and as you can see, it has to go a little bit higher than the second fan. And the reason is it overlaps the RAM, and even though I use a low profile Corsair Vengeance RAM, it still gets blocked by it, so that's interesting. This motherboard is a MSI X70 Gaming Plus, so that happens. Well, the next thing is to connect the fan connector using this splitter to combine it to one, and then I'll install it to this pin here. Don't know if you can see that. Yeah, and then I'm gonna do some cable management. Alright, as you can see, the first fan is spinning. The second two, I can't see it, but I can feel the wind. Yeah, the temperature is really under control now. Idling at 37 degrees actually, the T-die. Everything looks okay. The fan speed, let me go and have a look at the fan speed. The CPU is fine, it's only spinning at 750 RPM or so. So yeah, dead silence, to be honest. I'm looking forward to this performance. So yeah, that's about it guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share my video if you found this useful, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye bye.